Now, let's eat from the Food City Kitchen. Value every day.
Hello, I'm Nicole Pazdziorko, Food City Registered Dietitian. November celebrates National Diabetes Month, and it's estimated that 1 in every 10 U.S. adults has diabetes. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about how to eat well with diabetes with Food City's Pick Well program. The first thing you want to think about is fiber-filled carbohydrates. Food City's Pick Well whole grain tag is going to guide you toward things like whole wheat bread, whole wheat wraps, quinoa, and brown rice. Whole wheat pasta and then fresh fruits and vegetables are also going to contain fiber. As you're looking for fruits and vegetables, especially canned and frozen options, look for those with no added salt or added fats and cheeses. You can look for the heart healthy and the low sodium tags for this. The dietitian's pick tag is also going to indicate those that are low in sodium and nutrient rich. When it comes to canned fruits, these are going to have natural sugars in them, but it's offset by the amount of fiber and the other beneficial vitamins and nutrients in them. Look for canned fruits in their own juice, and you can find these by looking for the no sugar added tag in your Food City aisles. The next thing to think about is healthy fats. These are going to be fats that are low in the saturated type of fatty acids and higher in mono and polyunsaturated fats. Things like nuts and seeds, avocado, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon, trout, or tuna. It's not one single habit that's going to lead to better outcomes, but these things add up after time. You can go to foodcity.com/pickwell to find more better for you options.
Now, let's eat from the Food City Kitchen. Value every day.